When asked by the Human Resources Director and the CEO of the company, why worksite wellness, I respond with, why not worksite wellness? I believe that there are many different reasons to invest in workplace wellness programs, but in our company, where our mission is to be a leader in the provision of human services and to help individuals and families reach their full potential, then it just makes sense that our first line of defense would be those employees who provide those services. Being in the helping profession is difficult at best, emotionally exhausting at worst. Worksite wellness programs offer many different benefits, not just to the employee, but to the employer as well. Some of those benefits often include a reduction in medical care costs, a decrease in absenteeism, and an enhanced image in our community, according to O'Donnell. Other benefits may include a decrease in employee turnover, an increase in employee satisfaction, and overall improved morale. Who doesn't want that? For me, this means that when I'm feeling well, eating well, and sleeping well, I'm more focused at work, more energized, and ready to do what needs tackled that day. I am more in the moment and not thinking about how stressed or tired I feel. If I'm taking care of my health, I'm not worrying about how all the stress is impacting my blood pressure. That falls in line with O'Donnell's statement that human performance is higher when people are physically and emotionally able to work and have the desire to work. Worksite wellness programs are beneficial for more than just the employee and the employer. It benefits our consumers as well. When we, the counselors, are well, we role model the behaviors that we want our consumers to emulate. We demonstrate by example the benefits of healthy living and healthy choices. It is important for us to enact a worksite wellness program in our company to reap the benefits of all. Healthy employees equal healthy families.